Hi everyone, my name is Chris and I'm from Need for Spread. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video tips and tricks on how to use Beanbot Pro trading software. And in today's video, I will make a live trading session using Beanbot Pro, and also I will share with you more details and more tips and tricks on how to use this particular trading software. So if you want to see what's all about, stay here until the end of this video. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. In this way, you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. So let's jump into the video. Alright everyone, so as I told you on the intro of this video, in today's video it will be about Beanbot Pro, and I will make a live trading session about it with using Beanbot Pro. And also I will share with you some tips and tricks on how to profitably use this automated trading software. So first thing first, for those of you who don't know what Beanbot Pro is, Beanbot Pro, it is an automated trading software, which means that you only have to select a robot inside the Beanbot Pro, and it will find the best trade in the market on binary options, and it will place that trade into your broker account. So it is very simple to use. So let's go inside the Beanbot Pro and let's have a look on it. Alright, and we are inside Beanbot Pro, and as you can see here, my balance is $10,243.53. So I started this account with $500. I'm using Beanbot Pro for quite a year and a half, I think. I made more withdrawals using their broker binary cent. As you can see here, my balance is reflected also here. So I started this account 3 months ago using with $500. So it is quite profitable. As you can see, what I did, I made my own robots. As you can see here, I have a bunch of robots, 4 robots, and also I used their trading robots. So what you have to do in order to use Beanbot Pro is click on the robot and click on run, and that's it. It will find the best entries in the market and it will place those trades into your broker account. As you can see here, we have 10 robots that you can choose from, and they are in order of profitability, starting with Crypto ADX2, which is trading cryptos, Bitcoin USD, Litecoin USD, Ethereum USD, and so on. And for this, the most important thing that is they recommend the balance in order to trade with these robots. I used Crypto ADX, and they are quite profitable, but you need, as you can see, you need $500. This balance is different from countries to countries, so it's better to follow this recommendation in order to be profitable with these trading softwares. So if you have money to invest, if you have $500, so start investing $500. If not, you can choose other robots, as I will show you. But one big recommendation that I have for you at this time, you should use any kind of trading software. You should start trading only if you afford to lose that money you want to invest. If you are bankrupt, if you don't have money to pay your bills or stuff like that, and you think by investing $250 or $500 into a robot like this, you will be rich, you will get rich overnight. No, it will not happen. And if you are bankrupt when you are trying to use this kind of robots, it will be a mental problem here, and you will not be profitable no more. So when you're using this kind of robots, when you are trading in general, you should be relaxed. You doesn't have to feel any push on your back. You have to be totally relaxed, and then you will be profitable. All right, let's go forward and have a look on RSIMA cross, which is trading Euro AUD, Euro USD, GBP USD, US dollar, Swiss franc, Euro, Japanese yen, US dollar, Canadian dollar, AUD, USD, Euro, GBP, and the recommended balance is $2,000. As you can see here, we have also X profit on recommended balance $2,000, Kimoku crypto $2,000, Rising East it's $500, Strong US $500, Strong ADX V2 $500, HP Cycles $500, RFV and May A $500, and Blade Runner is $500. So the minimum balance you can start with Beanbot Pro is $500. So that's it, that's the presentation. Let's go and start the robot. I will use my trading robots and I'll show you how to make it. So let's click, the only thing that you have to do is click on run, click on the robot, click on run. This one is trading crypto, Chris Bragg, need for spread, NFS, click on run, and I will use these three robots and you will see all the trades into my placed into my binary cent broker. So how you can make your robot, let's have a look here, and you have to look on create my robot. You have to click on create my robot. You need to choose a name, you need to choose the asset that you want to use your robot, and also you need to choose the indicators, MACD, commodity channel index, stochastic, RSI, ADX or ARUN, and the period on 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and you click on public and click on save, and that's it, you created your own robot. All right, one more thing that I wanted to tell you about Beanbot Pro is that they have a 24 or 24/7 contact support. As you can see here, this is the email, and also you have the chat. You have the chat that is available 24/7. So any issue that you encounter, they will automatically respond you. They will are there very prompt on responding you. So this is a very good thing. I will activate also X profit. So let's click on run and Ikimoku crypto. So I have 1 2 3 4 5 robots activated. So let's wait and see. All right, so we have one trade placed, and let's have a look here on, it's on GBP USD, which is a call, and let's have a look this one. This is it, GBP USD, and this is a buy. So it was placed here, this is the purchase line, so it should end above this line. Now it's under this line, so we are out of the money at this moment. So let's wait and to see what will happen. All right, and we have other free trades placed, and let's stop this, all these robots. Ikimoku, X profit, stop. Chris Bragg, need for spread, stop. NFS, stop. Let's see if it's other one. So this is a part of the strategy. You should open more robots in one time. Don't wait for one robot to trade. Just open more robots at a time and you will see what will happen. So let's have a look here. So we have 1 2 3 4 trades placed. We have 2 in the money and 2 out of the money at this moment. All right, so let's see what will happen. This is the GBP USD trade, and as you can see, it's going back. It is here, it was above the line, it was in the money, and now it's bouncing back. But let's see when will expire the time. We have also Ethereum placed. Now it's in the money. As you can see, GBP USD, it's in the money again. We have this Ethereum out of the money. We have Euro GBP. Let's have a look on the trade. Ethereum, and let's see where it is. Now it was here, down here, and now it's on the line. As you can see, it's quite right on the line, the purchase line. The green line, it's the purchase line. So it was back, and now it's back again. So let's see what will happen until the expiration time. Euro GBP. Let's have a look on Euro GBP, which is a sell. So this is the purchase line, and we are in the money because now it's below the purchase line, being a sell. And we have Euro GBP, which was a sell, a put, also a sell, and we are below this line. So let's wait and see what will happen with this with these trades. 4 trades. So we have at this time we have 3 in the money and 1 out of the money, which is good. Hopefully the Ethereum will be in the money too. As I see now, it's very low. So let's go back to the Binbot Pro and let's see the trading history which was placed. So we have all in the money but Ethereum USD, which was placed by Need for Spread Robot. We have Euro GBP placed by Chris Bragg Robot. Euro GBP again placed by NFS, and we have GBP USD, which is a buy. It was placed by XX Profit. So GBP USD, it's approaching to the expiration time, so it will be in the money or not. Let's have a look. GBP USD, it is a call, and now let's wait to see what will happen. The most important thing, yes, it's in the money. As you can see here, it's in the money. GBP USD. Let's have a look on the history, on the closed. Yes, GBP USD, and it is the payout 1864. So the difference between forex trading and binary option trading is that it's on binary options you have very fast outcomes, you have very fast results. On forex you should wait 2-3 hours and maybe sometimes days. So that's the difference. But you have to think on the other way, that when you place a trade on binary options, there is nothing you can do. On the other hand, on the forex trading, if you trade forex, you will have the stop loss and take profit, which can help you to minimize your losses. So I would never trade binary options without a trading robot like a Binbot Pro, like this one, which I would recommend you to also. So still we have Ethereum out of the money and the other 2 Euro GBP. So this one, I think it will be out of the money, because see how it looks. And let's have a look on Euro GBP. Euro GBP, it's in the money, as you can see it, and all the trades are closed. And let's have a look on the closed trades. And yes, we have 3 in the money and 1 out of the money. The Ethereum, which was placed by my robot, my Need for Spread robot. That's it. So as you can see here, my balance has increased. Now I have $11,267.88 in my account, and I started this day with $10,243.53. So it's $1,000 today. 1,000. I have $1,000 profit in today's trading session using Beanbot Pro. So that's it. That's the trading session for today. If you want to use Beanbot Pro, I'll put the link below this video in the description area, and you can easily use it. You can easily access it. So if you have question, you can always email me at chrisbrag@gmail.com. Also, you'll have my email in the description area. And I want to hear some comments about Beanbot Pro if you are using Beanbot Pro at this time. If you don't, you can try it. They have a demo also. And that's it. That's the video for today. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. In this way, you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.